Being a pastor for over 30 years, I've often had people ask me, how do I know if something is the Lord or not? I developed my own little test. I call it the three rules on hearing from God and knowing if something is the Lord speaking to you. The first rule is the test of, is it consistent with the character and nature of God? Does it line up with who God says he is? Because God will never contradict himself. The second rule is it cannot violate Scripture. It doesn't have to be Scripture because God already spoke His Word and He isn't adding anything to it. So it doesn't have to be His Word necessarily, but it can never contradict what He's already said and written. And then the third rule is, does it bear witness with my spirit? Does it line up and resonate inside of me as something that I feel like would be the Lord? So my encouragement to you is use the three rule test to hear from the Lord if it's something you feel like he's saying or not. And then as the scripture says, test every spirit to make sure it lines up with his word.